Hello, my wonderful people. How are you guys doing? Welcome to yet another video. And in this video, I want to unbox this baby seat that I got from Amazon. Okay, this I have taken out. I think the backrest is at the bottom of the seat. Okay, this is the backrest. What is this one? What goes into here? Let's see what goes into there. Any instruction what goes there? Maybe this is for storage or for something, I don't know. Okay, whatever it is, we have found the backrest now. Let us and now for this backrest here. How do you do it? It is supposed to click or what? Yeah, I think it is safe. So it is safe. And this is supposed to click. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. That is that. This seems nice and stable. Quite strong. Yeah, this is perfect. I can also keep this on the floor, or I can set it on the dining chair, which I plan to do. And this belt here is what you are supposed to use to fasten it on a dining chair. And this you fasten on the baby when he or she is seated. And here also they also give the measurement of the seat. That is the measurement of the dining chair that should be used. Yeah, but I'm yet to measure mine to see if it corresponds or not. But whichever case, I will see how it goes. So I think that is that. I will go ahead and clean. Yeah, it is made out of plastic. Yeah, this is also made of plastic, and I think I can wash this. Or let me see if they have any, but if they have any cleaning instructions. But the way I'm seeing the material is something that can do well with water. I don't think you have to worry about anything. I can't find any cleaning method, but I think this is okay. You can put this in water and give it a good scrubbing. New things needs to be washed very, very well, so that you don't get any chemical particles around your baby. So So this fits perfectly on my dining chair, and this was the extreme setting. It fits so perfectly. So thank God.